This is the video showing how to make the connection for the DA-2321 access controller to the Wi-Fi, wireless keypad, and the wireless key fob. Firstly, you need to power up the access controller. When the access controller is powered up, you can see here, the yellow mains LED light should turn on. And then use a needle to press the Learn Wi-Fi button. Press it until the red LED light flashing, and then you can enter the app Access Plus. Select Add Device. Select Access Control. Insert the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password, and then press Next. During this time, you need to double confirm the red LED lights here and on the picture are flashing in the same pattern. If not, you need to press the Learn Wi-Fi button again. If yes, press Confirm and then Next. Now, the DA-2321 access controller is connecting to the Wi-Fi. It takes around 1 minute. If it is successful, you can see the main red LED light should switch off, and then in the app, press Done. At this time, you can see there are 4 main buttons here, which is related to output 1, 2, and 3, and the doorbell output. Now, you can use your mobile app to control the output 1, 2, 3 on the access controller. For making connection to the wireless keypad and wireless key fob is not hard. You can see there is a second button here, which is Learn Radio. Press and hold the Learn Radio button. When there is a red light, press the doorbell button on the wireless keypad. When it is learned, the red light should switch off. Same as the wireless key fob, press the Learn Radio button, and then press any button on the key fob. And now, you can use your key fob to control the output, and then the keypad can control the access controller as well.